Investing in a quality security key provides an extra layer of protection for your data. As such, I find the most secure and convenient form of two-form authentication is by using the best security keys available in the market. There are many products available to choose U2F security keys, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best U2F security keys from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kensington VeryMark USB Fingerprint Key Reader. This innovative piece of technology combines advanced fingerprint technology and 360 readability with anti-spoofing security. For the protection of your data from cyber thieves, it provides a fingerprint algorithm which exceeds ordinary industry standards and swipe sensors. Compatible with only Windows Hello and Windows 7, 8.1, and 10, it stores up to 10 different fingerprints. All biometric data is individually encrypted using a secure 256-bit advanced encryption and transport layer technology, ideal for preventing fraud, tampering, and eavesdropping. Kensington VeryMark Fingerprint Key has a simple and compact design which easily attaches to keyring.it, is also FIDO U2F certified, meaning it is compatible with websites such as Dropbox, Facebook, and Google, among many others. Positive side of this product. Advanced fingerprint scanner makes it easy to use. Compact design for convenient portability. Universal integration with Windows Hello and other Windows versions. Negative side of this product. A cheap and crushable plastic cover. It is not suitable for mobile devices. Number 2. Two-factor authentication USB and NFC security key. When looking for a durable, protective and a key that is compatible with most online services to protect your data, Ubiq 5 NFC is the best security key for you. It offers strong two-form authentication via USB-A ports and near-field communications, NFC. Ubiq 5 NFC provides advanced security for your online accounts due to its advanced technology. As such, it is tough for unauthorized guests to gain access to your online files. It is also water-resistant, tamper-proof, and crush-resistant. Being that the Ubiq 5 NFC security key is FIDO certified, it is compatible with Google Chrome and any other FIDO complaint application on Mac, Windows, or Linux. Positive side of this product. Water-resistant, crush-proof and tamper-resistant. Lightweight and compact design allows easy portability. Easy to set up and use. Number 3. FIDO U2F Security Key. If you are looking for a primary security key to protect your online data, that is FIDO Security Key is your best bet. Similar to a portable USB flash drive, its aluminum alloy cover rotates at 360°, to shield the USB connector, when not in use, as well as protective from drops, scratches, and bumps. Its compact nature and near universal compatibility make it easy to set up and use. You are guaranteed of web security through a strong factor authentication to your online platforms. FIDO provides an affordable and simple solution with high security when looking for the best security key in the market. This set of security key is compatible with browser support and FIDO U2F protocol. Such websites include Google G Suite, Dropbox, Facebook, Salesforce, GitHub, Bitbucket, Dashlane, Fastmail, and GitLab. Positive side of this product: compact and lightweight. Suitable with all major operating systems. A fast one-button authentication procedure. Long-lasting. Negative side of this product: tough to move the rotating aluminum cover at first. Does not connect to smartphones. Number 4. Ubiq 5C Nano. Ubiq 5C Nano is a high-performance security key which enables fast and strong crypto operations. It provides a safe and straightforward user experience and eliminates account takeovers. Designed for functionality, it contains secure element hardware to protect the cryptographic keys. To activate, insert the security key into a USB-C port and press the gold ridge. Compared to a simple password, it is 4 times faster and does not require network connectivity or batteries to operate. Ubiq packages all its Ubiq security keys in a tamper-evident, safety-sealed blister packs. The sleek and compact physical construction of this nifty device enables it to stay in the port for a long time. Positive side of this product: compatible with Android devices. Compact design. Water-resistant. Negative side of this product: needs an adapter when used with smartphones. Number 5. That is FIDO U2F Security Key with Type-C adapter. If you're looking for something that's not a burden on your wallet, then we would suggest letting this one top your list. It supports NFC or USB-A, thus providing compatibility on a whole gradient of platforms. Not only that, but it is also waterproof, providing you with protection from that glass of water on your work desk along with phishing attacks. Along with being certified, it offers full compatibility with Google Chrome and Opera on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Here's the fun part: it's built like a flash drive. Moreover, the swiveling aluminum alloy casing excels at providing better protection. Designed with a 360 degrees rotating metal cover that shields the USB connector when not in use. Also, crafted from a durable aluminum alloy to protect the key from drops, bumps and scratches. Offer a strong factor authentication to your online account. Never lose your accounts through password theft, phishing, hacking, or keylogging scams. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.